Hey, what up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we continue to assemble the BMW. So far we got it disassembled in first part, got a donor car, and now we get to put it all together and see the final results. So far we're right here, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install a bumper support and then all the little plastic things. So let's get to it. Alright, front bumper support is on. It looks 10 times better. So next thing is shrouds and condenser and then the headlights. Alright, so front end is coming along. A lot of plastic pieces, but nothing broken yet.
Oh shit.
We got the radiator staying down, headlights bracket, bumper support, because there's so many plastic pieces before the main bumper support. Looks pretty good. A little bit dusty, but still looks good, right? It's a BMW. Look at that. Like a beast.
It's coming along.
Yeah, the kidney grill is like what? Just shows that it's a Beamer. Alright, so next thing is what? More plastic pieces?
Yep.
Alright.
Gotta secure the more plastic pieces with more plastic pieces.
Alright, a few more plastic pieces for the radiators are installed. Lots of plastic. So next thing is gonna be AC condenser, bumper support, few wiring, and we should be able to install the headlights and the bumper. I think that's like the hardest thing to install, huh?
Oh, that was pretty hard.
Done, huh?
It's really hard to do. Oh.
All you have to do is 2 more screws, that's it.
Oh man.
That's hard. Oh man. Alright. The progress is coming along pretty well. The radiator support is bolted on along with the cross members. So next thing we're going to do before we put the headlights and the bumper, we want to put a hood on, so make sure the fenders are aligned. So you'll see that in the next clip. All right, we got a hood on. It matches pretty well with the fenders. We got the lights just hanging in there because we had to change the chipset, right? Modules. So otherwise the headlights can work from the old ones to the new ones. But so the next thing is basically what? The front bumper support, headlights, and bumper, right?
Yep.
And we're Gucci. Test drive.
That's right.
Does it have a launch control?
Not yet. Once you get away, mine should have. Oh, never mind. This is
Oh yeah, such a good sight. And then obviously, tag 3. All right, the progress is coming along pretty well. Everything is on, small pieces. So the next thing is the bumper, the M Sport bumper that actually came in time before we assembled the whole car because we were gonna use the basic one that we took off, but the M Sport bumper came on. So we're gonna install this bad boy next with the grills and hood trim, and then we are gonna go for a test drive.